Okay, so progress with these fans is actually really slow. They're proving a little more difficult than I thought to get it apart. The main problem seems to be that there is this bearing, like there's the shaft from the whole motor unit inside here, and I thought it might spin off, but it doesn't seem to. So I haven't had any luck punching the shaft out, so it looks like I'm just going to grind across there and just see how it goes. Try and break it open. I've got four of these, and so far it's a lot of screws, but really taking a lot more time than I expected. Okay, hacking at the bearing a bit seems to have been a great success, enough for it to come off, and here's the guts. I'll keep going. Since I've been going at this for a while now, probably should do a little scratch test here. So let's go on this outer ring. Oh, what do you reckon? Let's go. Yeah, that's copper. What about this inner ring? It's a very different colour. And that is also copper. Alright, I will proceed. Thank you for sticking with the shaky camera work. So, fan breakdown complete was quite a task. The biggest problem was the shaft. The bearings themselves just would not move because circlips, there was three of them that I couldn't see because it had the shrouding on it. So I bashed it with a hammer, which broke all this apart, and then I got the grinder on one end, which helped, and then I just kept bashing it. I mean, in hindsight, I should have just got the grinder and just gone right across the shaft. Would have taken a few seconds, but live and learn. Lots of screws, not a whole lot of plastic. We've got the blades, fan blades here. They're all like MDF. Yeah, lots of screws. Copper winding things, quite thick. These are all actually cast aluminium, so that's good for the pile, and also like a bit where I suppose call it a yoke maybe, and a bunch of steel and the cables. I will do weights at the end of this video, but I just want to get the old hatchet onto this and extract the copper so I can get all the weights evenly. So that's the fan breakdown complete. I had 4 fans in total, and I've got the breakdown of the weights right here for you. Starting off with copper, these are the windings from the motor. I took all the motors apart, bit of a challenge, and I had 285 grams or 10 ounces. Next was the aluminium. A lot of the housing was aluminium, which was nice. It was all cast aluminium. This is not it, but I had 940 grams. And steel, a total of 3,678 grams. The ounces are in this column for those of you that do ounces. Then just the wire, I haven't stripped the wire, it's all that. So 118 grams of just the wire. Screws, look at all them, lots of them. 192 grams of that. And the fan blades, see what I did there, were 1,094 grams. So I had 4 fans in total. So the grand total for all of that is copper was 1,140 grams or 40 ounces. Cast aluminium, 3,760 grams, 132.6 ounces. Steel, 14,712 grams or 518.9 ounces. The wire, 472 grams, 16.6 ounces. Screws, 768 grams, 27 ounces. The fan blades themselves, which were like a composite plastic material, which I will find a use for, 4,376 grams or 154 ounces. That was the total of the 4 fan breakdowns. They came from a house renovation that was happening a street away, so it was really easy for me to get, and just something new to break down into some scrap. I do apologise for not having the prices because I haven't actually taken it to the yard yet. I've still got a mountain of stuff. Like I'm still filling up my bucket with all these type of things, and when that's full, I'll take it to the scrapyard. So there it is. for domestic house fans. Worth mentioning, very little plastic in them, which was really good because where I am in East Coast Australia, recycling those type of plastics is still a bit, yeah. Unfortunately, we're a bit of a lazy nation when it comes to recycling, but very little plastic in these fans, so I was really happy about that. So, thank you for watching that. Please do let me know what you think of the breakdown. Apologise again about the prices. Still learning all this type of thing, so any feedback you have would be great. And I'll catch you next time. All of this goes to the beautiful Suzuki Cappuccino Fund, and soon I will start restoring you. I will have the parts, I have the means, soon. Thanks for watching.